Pydantic AI's output function mechanism lets a model's final structured result trigger side effects, while streaming avoids executing those side effects on intermediate partial outputs, a pattern governed by the run context partial output flag. The agent is configured with an output type set to a function that receives a database record and a run context, enabling the model to stream partial field values one at a time before committing to a complete record. You will see a database record model with an optional value field, an output function, save to database, that guards its print side effect behind CTX, partial output, and an async main that uses agent run stream with result, stream out put debounce by equals none to expose each partial update as it arrives. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context. Class database record base model. Name, SDR. Value, int none equals none hash make optional to allow partial output. Def save to database text. Run context, record. Database record, database record. Output function with side effect, only save final output to database. If CTX, partial output. Hash skip side effects for partial outputs. Return record. Hash only execute side effect for the final output. Print saving to database. Record name equals record value. Saving to database. Test equals 42. Return record. Agent equals agent opener. GPT-5, 2. Output type equals save to database. Async def main. Async with agent. Run stream create a record with name test and value 42 as result. Async for output in result. Stream out put debounce by equals none. Print output. Name equals test value equals none. Name equals test value equals 42. Agent with output function used as structured output type, streaming via run stream and stream output. The save to database function is the output type, so the model must call it to end the run. Stream out put debounce by equals none yields each partial database record as it's built by the model, first just name equals test, then the complete record. CTX, partial output guard clause skips the print side effect for every partial emit, only firing on the final output. Making value optional in database record lets Pydantic accept partial data during streaming since the model fills fields incrementally. Without the guard, you'd get duplicate side effects per chunk, which is the classic streaming output function gotcha. Let's break it down. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context. Imports base model from Pydantic for data validation models, and imports agent and run context from Pydantic AI for agent orchestration and runtime context access. Class database record base model. Name, SDR. Value, int none equals none hash make optional to allow partial output. Defines a Pydantic data model with a required name field and an optional value field defaulting to none, permitting partial records that omit value. Def save to database text. Run context record. Database record, database record. Output function with side effect, only save final output to database. If CTX, partial output. Return record. Defines an output function that receives run context and a database record, returns the record unchanged when partial output is set, preventing intermediate streaming results from being saved. Agent equals agent opener. GPT-5, 2. Output type equals save to database. Instantiates an agent bound to the OpenAI GPT-5, 2 model with save to database as its output type. Async def main. Async with agent. Run stream create a record with name test and value 42 as result. Async for output in result. Stream out putty bounce by equals none. Print output. Name equals test value equals none. Name equals test value equals 42.
Streams an agent response to the prompt. Create a record with name test and value 42, yielding intermediate structured outputs as they arrive. 2 results print. First, the record with name set but value still none, then the completed record with both fields populated. 3 pieces lock together. Optional fields on database record let the model fill name first, then value. Stream putty bounce by equals none surfaces each partial database record as it arrives, and CTX. Partial output gates the side effect, so only the final record prints. Skip any one of these and the pattern breaks. Partial fields without the guard means duplicate saves. Streaming without optional fields means validation errors. And no partial output check means every chunk fires your side effect.
A partial record steps past save to database. Only its completion triggers the save.